Like Beers just missed the throw. Was a low throw, but was not in the dirt from Tucci. And Beers looked like just whiffed on it. So Tanner Smith reaches on the air from Beers at first base. And now Tim Elko takes a big swing at the 1-0 pitch and is unable to make contact. His lone hit in the third. Came around eventually to score in that third. So 9 runs come across for FondDuLac. 1-1, and that one misses inside. I'll go at Ole Miss, University of Mississippi. Appeared in 14 games with the Rebels this past 2020 season, his junior year. Another one misses inside. Started in 12. Had a .354 batting average, which was the 5th highest on the team. Highest of Elko's career as well. 3-1. Oh, a full count. All 3 years of his collegiate baseball career have been with the Rebels at Ole Miss. Payoff pitch coming to Elko. Just gets a piece there. 87 on the gun from Lawry. Saw the Rockford pitching staff. Also one of the better that we saw in the pod. And then following the pause and then everyone having to return to school, staff has taken a big hit. Another 3-2, and Elko is rung up on the pitch. Get a look. Oh boy.